today we are going to see about pleasant and unpleasant sound. In the last section what we have seen, we can hear different types of sound like hitting, catching, bowling, playing, means that that type of means what noise are coming, and that are we also can hear with the help of our ears, means like birds are singing, like drum sound, like clock sound, like hitting something on the plate with the spoon and with the plates. So all the types of means what all the types of sounds we can hear with the help of our ears. Okay, so means some sounds are there that they are very loudly, means they can hurt our ears also, and some are pleasant. Like what? Some are pleasant means what? Means it is nice to hear, like song. Yes, songs are there. Yes, you can hear songs are there. It is very nice to hear. But when if a car is horning or something is making noise very loudly, means Dolby and all, so it can hurt our ears. So today in this section what we are seeing, we will see pleasant and unpleasant sounds. Means means pleasant means it is very nice to hear, but unpleasant means it can hurt our ears. Okay, so in this students, pleasant sound means nice to hear, nice to hear the sound, nice to hear the sound, like birds, like birds singing. Means when birds are chirping, so that sound it comes, so it is very nice to hear. Okay, so unpleasant sound means it can hurt our ears. It can hurt our ears, like car sound, Dolby, car sound, some big sounds. Yes, you can hear some big sounds and all, so it can hurt our ears. So students, in this section what we have seen, we have seen the pleasant and unpleasant sound. Means it is nice to hear. Pleasant sounds are very nice to hear, but unpleasant sound means of the cars, of the Dolby, of some big thing, means what it can hurt our ears. So it is not very nice to hear, because if we will hear again and again, so our ears will be closed. Means we cannot imagine that if it will hurt our ears and what will happen for that. Okay, so these are the pleasant and unpleasant sounds. You can understand this? Okay, thank you.